Your doors do more than just provide entry and exit. They safeguard your home, enhance curb appeal, and help maintain energy efficiency. But over time, even the best doors wear down. If you live in Melville and are wondering whether it's time for a replacement, here are the top signs you should look out for. Difficulty opening and closing. One of the most noticeable signs of a failing door is when it becomes difficult to open or close. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or requires force to shut properly, it's not just an inconvenience. It could indicate underlying warping, frame damage, or structural issues. In Melville's changing climate, wood doors especially can swell or contract, making this problem worse over time. Drafts and rising energy builds. A good door should seal tightly against its frame to keep outdoor air where it belongs. If you feel drafts near your entry or notice your energy bills creeping higher, your door may no longer be energy efficient. Worn-out weather stripping, cracks, or poor insulation can cause air leakage, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing your door with a modern, energy-efficient option can make your Melville home more comfortable and reduce utility costs. Visible damage or wear. Doors naturally take a beating over the years, especially front and patio doors that see daily use. Signs such as cracks, dents, peeling paint, or rust on metal doors are clear indicators that replacement may be due. Beyond appearance, damage compromises security and structural integrity. For homeowners in Melville who value both style and safety, a fresh door replacement offers peace of mind and a much-needed upgrade in curb appeal. Water damage or rot. Moisture is one of the biggest enemies of wooden doors. If you notice soft spots, mold growth, or discoloration, your door may be suffering from rot or water infiltration. This not only weakens the door but can also spread to the surrounding frame. Left untreated, it can lead to bigger issues like structural damage to your entryway. A replacement is often the best long-term solution to stop water damage in its tracks. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the biggest sign you need a door replacement isn't functional, it's aesthetic. If your door looks outdated or no longer matches your home's style, replacing it can provide an instant facelift. For Melville homeowners looking to boost property value, a new entry or patio door is one of the highest return on investment home improvements you can make. A modern design not only refreshes your home's appearance but also enhances its resale appeal. Poor security. Your front door is your first line of defense. If it feels flimsy, has a weak lock system, or shows signs of damage around the frame, it may not provide the level of security your family needs. Modern doors are designed with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking mechanisms. By upgrading, Melville homeowners can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing their property is secure. Excessive noise. If you hear a lot of outside noise even when your door is shut, it may no longer provide proper insulation. Over time, seals wear out and materials degrade, allowing sound to pass through. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or street activity, a replacement with a better insulated door can significantly improve the comfort and quietness of your living space. Final thoughts. Your doors play a vital role in protecting, insulating, and beautifying your home. If you've noticed any of these signs, from drafts to damage to outdated looks, it may be time to invest in a new door. For homeowners in Melville, replacing your doors not only improves your day-to-day living but also adds long-term value to your property. Don't wait until small issues turn into bigger, more expensive problems. A professional door replacement ensures your home remains safe, efficient, and stylish for years to come.